Did you know running for just 20 minutes a day can boost your energy, improve heart health, and reduce stress? The Everfit Electric Treadmill makes it easy to stay active from the comfort of your home. With a powerful motor, smooth running surface, and built-in sit-up bar, you can get a full cardio and core workout in one machine. Compact and foldable, it's perfect for small spaces while keeping your workouts efficient and effective. Don't wait for motivation. Create it. Get your Everfit Electric Treadmill today at mindsetbuilder.com.au.